Hello everyone, welcome back to Yo, it's Jake4091. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to go live in Streamlabs. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to this channel. You can see me on the screen on my iPhone 6s. Without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. I want to go to this circle down here. You see that right here? And well, first you're going to log in using the settings app, and then it'll show you your login streaming platform. You can log in there. And if you go to your persistent, it'll just stream to your main channel automatically with no title. Active event will just show you your active event that didn't end. Upcoming events, just like things that you scheduled. Obviously it says right there. And create events, what we're going to be teaching you today. Not going to get to any detail of the other ones. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to want to name your stream Test Stream. So I'm going to have this private so none of my viewers find it. So what you're going to want to do, well, except for you guys. But anyway, what you're going to do, you're going to title it whatever you want. Don't title it like that unless you want to. You don't have to title it like that. It could be anything you want. So now you of course need your description. You just say hi, and then access. You have public, unlisted, and private. Choose public, obviously, if you want to stream to your fans. But I'm going to do it private so none of my fans see this. It'll show you that you're live if it says the count right here. See on your right screen, and then it says 720p, which is like your graphics, like quality. Then this is obviously the people that are watching, and then the test stream is right here. I don't know why this is here, probably because it thinks it's not live, but it is. And here you can see your frames per second, 30 of them, which is pretty decent in a way. It's not the slowest, but it's not the fastest. And this is how, I don't really know what this is. You guys can type in the comments below. So now it says connected to chat. If you could type in the chat by saying, type a message, you can say, hello. So yeah, and there's my message right there on my second channel. So now what you want to do, if you want to see the other things, just go over here to editor. If you want to check this out, you can get some widgets and stuff. Screen capture. You can take your screen and teach you how to do it in that app. Output resolution right here. It's 720p. You can change it up to whatever. This is the worst, this is the best. I'll change it to 1080p soon maybe because this runs pretty well. Expected frame rate, 30 frames per second. It's not the best, it's the second best here. I'm going to change it to 60 FPS. Max video bitrate, which is like, I don't know, like the movement of the video, like how glitchy or smooth it can be. So I have it at 2500 kbps. You can go to audio. It's very high right now, which is good. You can have it to high, medium, or low, depending on how loud you want it to be. And yeah, that's technically how you do it. So guys, leave a like and subscribe if you want to see more Streamlabs tutorials, if I can find out how to do them. And bye!